to teach you about the nervous system they aren't telling you about but is running your entire life. And that is the autonomic nervous system. And whenever you see that word autonomic, you have to think automatic, aka everything you don't have to consciously think about but gets done anyways. For example, your pupils dilating, your lungs expanding, your heart beating, your liver detoxifying. Now there is a parasympathetic and a sympathetic nervous system that makes up this autonomic nervous system. This is how your body stays in balance with the push and the pull and the relaxing and constricting. The sympathetic is ran by the adrenal glands of the body. The parasympathetic is ran by your gut. Now the sympathetic nervous system is responsible for priming your body for action and survival. When it does this, it constricts your blood vessels to your skin, the digestive tract, and the kidneys. So when this is out of balance, you are always in fight or flight mode. The parasympathetic does the opposite. It's used for relaxing the body, like lowering your heart rate and even managing your body's sexual functions to help you feel aroused. So if you are in fight or flight mode, you have to look at the adrenal glands. If you are on the opposite side and you have zero energy, you have to look at the gut as well. Focusing on these two places will balance out your autonomic nervous system. Now there are two main contributors, in my opinion, that damage this autonomic nervous system. And one is emotional trauma. Two is caffeine. So two quick things that you can do is one, work on your emotional trauma, and two, control your breath to help you in stressful situations. If you want to go the herbal routes, we have a whole bundle that is dedicated to the nerves of the body, and that is our nerve repair bundle, available on our site now.